Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hope you're having a good week. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. Got a package in the mail today, and this is something I've been looking forward to for a while. So let's open it up and see what it is. So this came to me from Neil over at the Heritage Collection. So there's a video that he's going to be sending us to watch. But what I've got in here is a new razor. So this is the Heritage Collection adjustable razor. It's based on the old Gibbs, I think he said number 15 razor. So there's going to be some more information coming in that video. And I'll be probably doing some first impressions videos here in the next few days, and then I'll probably use it for a week or so just to kind of run it through its full paces before I do a review video of it. But this is based on the original Gibbs without the difficulty of modifying the blades. So looks pretty cool. So the top cap comes off there, similar to the Rex, and then it does have this kind of plastic body here. And then you have to kind of unscrew the body to adjust the dial, but you can kind of see how that blade gap, pretty severe right there, but I'll put it through its paces here. So yeah, pretty cool. Looking forward to using it. Finish looks really nice. It feels pretty hefty. It's got a nice weight to it. So just wanted to show you guys. This is actually not available yet. So Neil, he released 25 of these. I did pay for this with my own money, and I had to jump on the release and get in line and struggle to get it just like the rest of the people that got them. So he only released 25 of these. These are kind of the pre-production models. So these are what he believes the production models will be. But he wanted to get a handful of them into people's hands and let them use them and give them any feedback before he ordered a larger quantity to start selling to everybody. So these will be available to the public in the near future. I'm not sure how soon exactly, but like I said, Neil's looking for some feedback on these first 25 before he cuts an order for a larger quantity. So these will be coming to you guys soon. I know a lot of us have been waiting for these for a long time. Looking forward to using it.